certain portions thereof, particularly paragraph 3 and paragraph 197. For this,
Can you read paragraph, both paragraphs, please? Because I've also read your, kami dito, binabasa naman namin yung mga sagot ninyo at siniseryoso namin yan, no? So can you read the two, please?
It reads, the rest of the allegations in the articles, including the supposed evidence attached therein, are specifically denied for being false, misleading, impertinent, mere conclusions of phantom law, and subject to the affirmative allegations and special and affirmative defenses below.
That's Article 3. That's paragraph 3. So the rest, yung iba, Article,
Paragraph 197, it says that finally no such purpose contemplated by law was attained or could have been attained precisely because the respondent did not have any purpose other than simply answer a speculative. So that is our position.
So your position is that is enough of a specific denial to the allegation na may kinausap na hitman si Vice President Sara?
Yes, Your Honor, because we discussed in our answer that the presumption never shifts. It is in light of our discussion that it is the burden of the prosecution to prove their claim, considering that according to our laws, he who alleges was proved. And so we just presented our arguments.
Okay. So I'm sure, attorney, sa inyong summation, you will argue this, that the burden of evidence has shifted. Pero hindi niyo po na take into account na ito mismo ay galing sa Vice President natin.
Your Honor, to clarify, the burden of proof is with the prosecution and not with the defense. In fact, Your Honor, according to our laws, even if we do not present evidence, if they do not overcome that threshold, Your Honor, then we believe that our client is entitled.
So, ang sagot ko po is a question sa loob. So, sagot ko po, kailangan proof ng prosecution na mayroong hitman. And you're not denying that the Vice President spoke to it.
We are denying that, Your Honor. It's just that was our representation.
So, for the record, you are denying that the Vice President actually spoke to hitman na, in fact, ang sabi nga ni Atty. Lotto, hindi siya nagsisinungaling. So, sabi niyo, actually, nagsinungaling siya at wala siyang kinausap na hitman. Yan ang sinasabi niyo.
Yes, Your Honor. I don't know what's the frame of mind of Attorney Lotto, but that is our answer.
Maraming salamat, Atty. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Judge Aquino. Senator Judge Zubiri is recognized. You have 2 minutes, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Presiding Officer. I just want to go to the line of questioning, continue the line of questioning of Senator Aquino to the prosecution, Attorney Villanueva. So that is not, yes, I'm sorry, defense. Attorney Villanueva, there has been no, in any instance that the Vice President would come out to TV right to say that, hindi ako, ano na po, kasi yung Tatay Digong noong araw sinasabi niya, papatayin ko siya, tapos mamaya, naglolo ko na, parang gano'n. So at no particular point in time, she issued a denial that she said these statements.